Welcome to this guide on SabioTrade, a proprietary trading firm that empowers talented traders by offering them fully funded accounts up to $500,000. In this video, we'll explain what SabioTrade is, how it works, and how you can become a Sabio trader. First, what exactly is SabioTrade? SabioTrade is a proprietary trading company that provides capital to skilled traders so they can trade without risking their own money. Instead, you get to trade using the company's funds, which can be as much as $500,000, depending on the package you select. This means less personal financial risk and a bigger opportunity to generate profits. When you profit from trading their funds, SabioTrade uses a profit-sharing system where you keep 80% of the earnings and the company retains 20%. This arrangement benefits both parties. You gain because you can trade with larger capital, and SabioTrade profits by supporting successful traders. Everyone wins. So, how do you become a Sabio trader? The process is simple and straightforward. Step 1 is to choose the funding package that suits your trading skills and goals. SabioTrade offers multiple packages, each with different account sizes and profit targets, so you can pick one that fits your experience level. After selecting your package, click the Get Financing button. You'll then be prompted to complete a registration form where you provide some personal information and details about your trading background. Next, you'll choose your preferred payment method and click Place Order. Payments are secure and can usually be made via credit card, bank transfer, or popular e-wallets. Once the payment is processed, SabioTrade will send you an email containing the login credentials for your demo trading account. This demo account is vital because it allows you to prove your trading abilities without risking real money. Now comes the key phase, the evaluation. Using the demo account, you must reach a specific profit target defined by your chosen package. However, it's not just about making profits. You also must follow SabioTrade's strict rules throughout the evaluation period. These rules typically include controlling drawdowns, adhering to position size limits, and trading within specific risk parameters. Maintaining discipline and risk management is essential here. If you successfully meet the profit target while following all the rules, SabioTrade will fund your live trading account according to the amount in your plan. This is the moment you transition from simulation to real trading, trading with actual company funds. At this point, you can withdraw up to 80% of your trading profits, provided you continue complying with SabioTrade's trading conditions. The remaining 20% goes to the company as agreed in the profit-sharing formula. Additionally, SabioTrade often offers ongoing support and guidance to help you refine your trading strategies, manage risks effectively, and maximize your earnings. In summary, SabioTrade offers a fantastic opportunity if you want to trade larger amounts without risking your own capital. By passing the demo evaluation, you gain access to significant funding, keep the majority of your profits, and receive professional backing throughout your trading career. If you're ready to start your journey with SabioTrade, check the link in the description below. Sign up, choose your package, and start trading with funded capital today. Thank you for watching, and good luck becoming a successful Sabio trader.